Hey there everyone, today I'll show you how to build a sleek one-page website for your business using Webflow. One-page sites are perfect for showcasing your services in a concise way. So let's get started. First, log into your Webflow account and create a new project. In the designer, we'll structure our page using sections. The first one is our hero section, where we're going to add a compelling headline, a brief description, and a call to action button. Next, an about section, where you can share your business story or mission statement. Then a services section, where you can highlight the services or products you offer. You can use columns or grid to lay out this section. Next, we're going to add a testimonial section, where you can add social proof with client testimonials. And then we can add a contact section, which includes a contact form and your contact information. You can use the navigator panel to keep your elements organized. You can also add anchors to each section for smooth scrolling. Select a section, and in the settings panel, give it a unique ID like services. All right, so update your navbar links to point to these section IDs by setting the link to section and choosing the appropriate section. Style your site to match your brand. You can adjust your colors, fonts, and imagery. Just ensure your site is responsive by checking it on tablet and mobile views. When that's done, preview and test the smooth scrolling navigation. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and publish your site. And that's it. You've built a professional one-page website for your business in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Webflow tips. I'll see you in the next video.